Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan, composed by Maude Rubin. In this poem, the poem speaks about a talking fan. The noise produced by the fan is said to be the talking of the fan. When someone oiled it, it stopped talking, producing noise. So here in this poem, we will read about a talking fan. The fan was producing. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem, which you are going to read. Understand? So here the poet compares the sound of the fan to the noise produced by human being. So here, just like a human being, because the fan is a non-living being, but here in the poem it has been represented as a living being. Come on the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter, talked too much. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it does not matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as a water. So here in the poem, the poet says that once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. Electrical, the fan runs with electricity, and talk too much. Chatter means here talk too much. Here the meaning of the word chatter is talk too much, means the fan is making too much noise. I could not hear what he said, and I hope it does not matter. The poet could not hear what he said, and he hopes that it does not matter, no matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. Because what had happened, somebody oiled in the whirling, the motor which runs fastly, whirling motor in circular motion, and all the mystery was spoiled, and he ran as still as a water, and the fan started to run smoothly. Understand? When somebody has oiled in the motor of the fan. So here we are getting, student, fans don't talk as they are moving. Fans don't talk as they are non-living things. The noise made by the fans by its whirling, when it is not oiled properly, when it will not be oiled properly, the fan will produce sound. So I hope that you have understood all this. Thanks for watching the video.